Alright guys, thanks for being here. Today we are making one of the most popular and delicious side dish, yet incredibly easy to make. Just follow my recipe, you will love it. Let's get right to it. First, fill up a large saucepan or pot with water, place on the stove over high heat. Meanwhile, peel and cut 1.5 pound russet potatoes. Starchy russet potatoes are best to make our mashed potatoes creamy. Transfer into the pot. Add half tablespoons of kosher salt. Now we bring it to a boil, cover to speed up the process if you like, but keep an eye on it. Next, finely chop some chives for garnishing. You may skip this. We're done for now. Let the pot boil for 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. My potatoes should be good now. Let's drain off the liquid. Place the pot back on the hot stove but with the heat turned off. Now we cut and drop in 3 tablespoons of delicious butter. You may use either salted or unsalted butter. Half teaspoon garlic powder. Mash up with a potato masher until butter is melted. Add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Mash and mix the cream with potatoes until smooth, about 30 seconds. Now is a good time to season with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, 1/4 cup of milk. You may use 2%, 1% or even skim milk, but 2% is preferred. Add more or less milk to the consistency of your liking. Now we just mash until smooth and creamy, about 1 minute. Stir with a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula before transferring to our serving bowl. Place half tablespoon of butter on top, sprinkle on some chopped chives, and it's ready for our enjoyment. Beautiful, creamy, and delicious mashed potatoes. Perfect as a side dish. It's cheap and so easy to make. If you look for what to go with to complete your perfect dinner, check out my red wine pot roast recipe at the end of this video or in the description. Good luck and have fun! I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more future content. Thank you again for watching and cooking with me. I wish you have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye!